What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this video I want to talk about Terra Luna and Kwon. Why is that? Well, late September 19, we're seeing early today how the South Korean authorities have called the Interpol to pretty much have a red notice on the guy, on Kwon, the founder of Terra Luna, and now fugitive. It's on the run pretty much, and it's not, seems like, according to the South Korean authorities, seems like it's just escaping and not trying to face any trial, or not trying to face justice, or just trying to escape and not be caught. Pretty much that is what's going on right now. How does that even compare, or is that intertwined with LUNC? Well, the thing is that when the news of his warrant for arrest were released, that pretty much caused a drop in price on the 13th of this month, right about here. So it was roughly a 31% to 30% drop in price when we got the warrant. And that's helped me that, well, there's still something pegged to LUNC when it comes to importance and what holders are looking around to this character, right? Even though he's no longer working for LUNC, for Terra Luna Classic, now is the more than 70 validators and Terra Rebels. And now we're still seeing that finally, when he gets caught, we'll see if that happens. What will the price of LUNC look like? How is that going to react? That is really cool. In my opinion, I think it already reacted enough for me to say that nothing's going to happen when he gets caught, because the price already crashed. I think the markets are already compounding that he's going to get caught, right? If the price goes even lower once he's arrested, it means that for some reason people were having hope that he was going to do something for the project. That's why as soon as he gets arrested, then things are going to go astray and in a bad direction, according to their analysis. But to me, Terra Luna Classic is fully community driven, so I don't really think Kwon is gonna serve of a great importance for the entire project, if you know what I mean. So that is the relationship we have right now. We're getting updates from authorities and different people and agencies across the globe, because now they're looking for it. We're seeing magazines, crypto magazines, really going after him and saying, hey, he's not cooperating, he's just on the run. And wow, that's pretty interesting, right? Knowing that the price of LUNC right now is just consolidating, not doing much. But I guarantee you, once we start hearing that his arrest is pretty soon and finally he gets caught, it's gonna be a big whirlpool of entire, different emotions for a lot of people, because it was because of him. And sometimes people refer to his cockiness as far as what it happened. 40 billion wiped out of the crypto market because of what, the attitude and the overconfidence he had in the project, and couldn't even maintain it and repeg USDT. So that is the reality of this project, right? Kwon, that it is running from the authorities and not really cooperating with the police. But sometimes I think it's gonna be that way for some cryptocurrency founders, right? Because it has carries so much weight and impact into different people, and we'll see what happens with LUNC. So stay tuned for more information, everybody. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.